Jai Rata, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Hanuman. A very special welcome to everyone this evening for the final of 3 nights, final night of Ramayana Satsang by our esteemed Pandit Kimraj Vyas, and welcome to his Dharampatni and members of his family and members of his group as well this evening. A very special welcome also to viewers on IETV and on the live stream coverage that we have here this evening. So this evening is the commemoration, as we have said before, of the 22nd anniversary of the consecration of Hanuman Murti, Big Hanuman, Small Hanuman, and all the shrines, all the deities, Lord Dattatreya, Ganapati, Devi, Lord Shiva, and the Navgraha Murtis on the 9th of June 2003, back some 22 years ago. So Panditji is going to continue, Sundarkan Katha. So before we proceed, I'll invite the President of the Sri Dattatreya Yoga Center, Mr. Ramesh Prasad Maharaj, to present Mala to Panditji.
Thank you very much for your words of welcome. Let us, my dear devotees, take a few moments as we prepare for prayer. As we clasp our hands, we close our eyes, we bow our heads, we submit ourselves at the lotus-like feet of Pavanaput Hanuman. Beloved Lord Hanumanji, you are the protector of your devotees, you are the redeemer of crises. We surrender to your lotus-like feet as we say thank you, Hanumanji, for the many ways in which you have blessed us, the many gifts that you have conferred upon us. May your benevolent gaze, protective hands continue to be upon us all, now and always. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyai Namaha, Shri Guru Charana Kamale Vyo Namaha, Om Namah Shivaya. Varnanamarthasanghanam rasanam chandasamapi mangalanam chakartaro vande vani vinayakau. Jahi sumirat siddh hoye, by merely reflecting upon whom we attain success in our various undertakings. Buddhi Rashi Shubha Guna Saranam, who is the embodiment of intellectual prowess. Shubha Guna Sarana, the abode of all good and noble virtuous qualities. To the lotus-like feet of Sri Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan, we pay our salutations, prostrations again and again. Jehi sumirat siddhi hoye, Gananayak karivara vadan, Karao anugraha soye, Buddhi rashi shubha guna sadan. Mukha Guru Padakanja. We pay our prostrations to the lotus-like feet of Shri Guruji Maharaj. Kripa Sindhu Nara Rupa Hari, who is none other than the embodiment of mercy and grace in the form of human being. To our Shri Guruji Maharaj, we pay our prostrations again and again. Bandava Guru Padakanja, Kripa Sindhu Nara Rupa Hari, Mahamoha Tamapun, Jasu Bachana Ravi Karanikara. Collectively we chant Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nijamana Mukura Sudari Varanao Raghuvara Vimala Yasha Jodayaka Phalachar Bodhina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavana Kumar Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Arahu Kalesha Vikar Syavar Ramachandra Ki Jai Sharanam Nath Mama Sankata Haro Hari. Prem se bolo Shri Pavanaputra Hanuman ki jai. Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra tatra Kritamastakanjalim Vashpavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutim Namata Rakshasantakam. A very beautiful verse, my dear friends, tells us Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam, wherever the glories of the Divine Lord are sung, Tatra tatra Kritamastakanjalim, there is Hanumanji with hands clasped and his head bowed. Vashpavari Paripurna Lochanam, there is Hanumanji totally engrossed in enjoying the glories of the Divine Lord. His mind fully absorbed in the glorious activities, the chariot of Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji. Vashpavari Paripurna Lochanam, in rapt ecstasy, the tears are flowing down his eyes. To that Hanumanji, my dear friend, Marutim Namat Rakshasantakam, we pay our obeisance to that Hanumanji, who is the source of the destruction of the evil ones. We glorify Pavanaput Hanumanji this evening, my dear friends. Very beautiful little bhajan in which the glories of Pavanaput Hanumanji, they are recounted. Tuma bare veer balavan, Mahavir Vajarangi. O Hanumanji, you are so strong, you are so powerful. Pavanaputra Anjani Dulari, you are the son of Pavan, you are the Dulari, you are the beloved child of Anjani. Raghunanda ke prana piyari, you are as dear to Hanuman as the Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji as his very own life. Jai 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 Hanuman, victory, victory, victory unto Hanuman. As the song goes on, my dear friends, it describes Hanuman's exploit into Lanka and of course bringing the Sajivan to redeem, to revive as it were Lakshman. He tuma bare veera balavan, Mahavir Bajarangi. Tuma bare veera balavan, Mahavir Bajarangi. Tuma bare veera balavan, Mahavir Dharo dhyan, Mahavir Bajarangi. जय 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 हनुमान, जय 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 हनुमान, महावीर बजरंगी तुम बड़े
वीर बलवान महावीर बजरंगी
नहीं धरो तिहारो ध्यान,
महावीर बजरंगी
हे रामचंद्र के ताज सवारे, लंका जारी सिया सुधिलाए, लंका जारी सिया सुधिलाए, पायो अमर वरदान, पायो अमर वरदान, महावीर बजरंगी तुम बड़े वीर बलवान,
महावीर बजरंगी
मैं धरो तिहारो ज्ञान,
महावीर बजरंगी
ये तुम ही जाय संजीवन लाए, लखन लाल के प्राण बचाए, लखन लाल के प्राण बचाए, कीन्हे काज महान, कीन्हे काज महान, महावीर बजरंगी तुम बड़े वीर बलवान,
महावीर बजरंगी
नहीं डरो तिहारो ध्यान,
महावीर बजरंगी
तुम बड़े वीर बलवान, महावीर बजरंगी नहीं डरो तिहारो ध्यान, महावीर बजरंगी, महावीर बजरंगी, महावीर बजरंगी। पवन पुत्र हनुमान की। So we continue Katha this evening, my dear friends, from where we left off yesterday. As we would have seen to the conclusion yesterday, that very, very beautiful declaration by Lankini, Tat Swarga Apavarga Sukha, Dharya Tula Eka Ang, Tulaina Tahi Sakala Mili, Jo Sukhalau Satasang. Not all the joys and happiness of a hereafter, heavens and all places hereafter, placed on one side of a scale that cannot outweigh the joys and happiness of even one moment of satsang. Such is the greatest, my dear friends, of satsang. Satsang, as we are told, Prathama Bhakti Santan Karasanga. Prabhu Sri Ramchandra ji enunciates to Shavari. O Shavari, the first of the 9 forms of devotion, Pratham Satsang. First form of devotion is love for association with the saints and sages. Where you listen, what happens there? Dusaridati mama kathas prasanga. In places of satsang like this, my dear friends, what happens? There is a discussion on the nature of the divine supreme being, discussion on his glories and glorious activities. This, my dear friends, these are the initial stages in satsang, in our spiritual growth, in our journey towards God realization. And having made that declaration, my dear friends, you see, Lankini, while evil, wicked as she was, even one moment was able to transform her. And then Hanumanji, my dear friends, he is now ready to go into Lanka. And so enshrining in his heart the form of Prabhu Sri Ramchandra ji, he prepares to go into Lanka. Ram Siya Ram Hare, Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
राम सिया राम हरे
Lankini, my dear devotees, नगर प्रवेश कर और रघुनाथ जी हृदय में रख कर सब काम कीजिए। प्रवेश नगर कीजिए सब काजा। हनुमान जी, my dear friends, हृदय राखी कौशलपुर राजा, enshrining in his heart none other than his Lord, our Lord, Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji, upon whom Hanuman ji has a total trust, faith, devotion. My dear friends, Hanuman ji, he is undoubtedly the foremost of all bhaktas of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji. Not a moment will pass by without him reflecting upon the Lord of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji. And so, my dear friends, as he is about to embark on this journey into Lanka, what is going to happen, my dear friends? He enshrines in his heart that form of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji. And having such a form in his heart, my dear friends, absolutely no task is too difficult to accomplish. Of course, we heard on the first night, Kauna Sokaja Kathina Jagamahi Jo nahi tat hoi tum pahi. Hanuman ji, kauna so kaja kathina jagamahi. What task is there that is so difficult in this world that you cannot easily accomplish? How is this, my dear friends? Because Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji is enshrined in his heart. And once again, my dear friends, never is Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji out of his heart. He reflects upon that form of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji and he makes his entry into Lanka. But as he makes his entry into Lanka, my dear friends, Goswami Tulsidas, he makes some comparisons here. Shivji Bhagwan, relating Katha to Devi Parvati, says the very same thing. Garala Sudhari Pu Karai Mitai. Seems somewhat out of place, out of context, my dear friends, in the plot of the Katha. But Goswami Tulsidas, my dear friends, in order to emphasize the greatness and the glories and the power of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji, he is making these declarations. Garala Sudha Ripu Karai Matai. Garala Sudha. That means through the grace of Prabhu Shri Ramchandra ji, through the grace of the Divine Lord, even poison can be converted into nectar. I'm sure we have all heard this before. Poison can easily be converted into nectar. We will remember, my dear friends, during the time of the churning of the ocean, when all the devatas and the demons, utilizing the snake Vasuki as the churning, as a rope to churn the ocean, the mountain Mandara on the top of the tortoise, they are churning the ocean. What emerges? Halahal Vik. That Halahal Vik that was capable of destroying the entire world, all of creation. Lord Shiva took that and he partook of that. How was it not able to affect him negatively? He chanted the name Ram. And he kept that poison in his throat, not to enter into his heart where there is the form of Sri Ram. But even in yesteryear, my dear friends, that very beautiful episode, we remember Mirabai, married to Rana, but she was totally, absolutely dedicated to the form of Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Beautiful little side episode here. I will go into it. On one occasion, mother together with little Meera, they are looking outside through the window and there is a wedding procession. So Meera asks mother, what is that? There's so much music and such festivities and so forth. Meera's mother said, Meera, that is a wedding procession. Mother, what is a wedding procession? Meera, when one becomes grown up, then the boy becomes wedded to the girl and they live together as consorts. And Meera stopped for a while and she thought, Ma, Who will be my consort? Mother is stunned. This little girl, tender age, she wants to know who will be her consort. What will she say? Mother turns around, she sees the murti of Shri Krishna Bhagavan. Meera, Lord Krishna will be your consort. The impressionable minds of young children, my dear friends, we can mold those minds to become whatever we wish them to be. Or we can destroy the minds of these little ones by what we see. Meera became so engrossed with that thought. Is he going to be my life companion? And so, my dear friends, Meera, totally absorbed in that form of Krishna Bhagavan. Even though many will believe that it is lifeless, the Divine Lord was present there. And Meera will go and sing and dance in the presence of Shri Krishna Bhagavan, that murti. And eventually, my dear friends, her love and devotion was so intense for Shri Krishna Bhagavan that even Lord Krishna will emerge from that murti and dance with her. Everyone thought, my dear friends, that Meera had lost her mind. And so her husband, on one occasion, he decided that, as a matter of fact, on several occasions, it is better we put an end to this girl's life, for she will bring our family's name into disrepute. And so, my dear friends, what they did on one day, मीरा ने जब हरि गुण गाए, मीरा ने जब हरि गुण गाए, जहर पिए अमृत हो जाए, काल बिहार बना फूलों का, मीरा बने महान देख ले, है कितना नादान, देख ले है कितना नादान। मीरा ने जब हरि गुण गाए, जहर पिए अमृत हो जाए. What they decided to do? Place a poison in a container and give it to Meera. But in the tradition manner of Meera, my dear friends, she takes it to that Divine Lord, Prabhu. Before I can even partake of this, I must offer it unto you. Like I've done with anything, with everything that I have, Prabhu, accept this. And dedicating it to Shri Krishna Bhagavan, she then drank it. But through the grace of Shri Krishna Bhagavan, my dear friends, that poison became transformed into Amrita. That poison, my dear friends, had absolutely no effect on Meera. And the other line tells us, my dear friends, when they tried to kill her with a snake in a box, and she took that, tell him, Meera, a mala for you. She takes it and she offers it to Shri Krishna Bhagavan. Before she opens that box and places that mala, what happens? That snake, my dear friend, the deadly cobra, became transformed into a beautiful mala. Such is the greatness of the Divine Lord, the faith and the love that the devotee reposes on the Divine Lord, that even that poison can be transformed into nectar. तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे. We all familiar with that? पूरन कर दे सबकी आशा, जो भी तेरा ध्यान धरे, फिर तू ही बेड़ा पार करे. जय 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 कृष्ण हरे. तू चाहे तो सब कुछ कर दे, विष को भी अमृत कर दे. Whatever you choose, Prabhu, whatever you wish, tu chahe, whatever you wish, even poison becomes transformed into nectar. And one beautiful other example just coming to mind, I must share with you. In Bhagavad Mahapuran, my dear friends, when baby Krishna was there in the home of Mother Yashoda, all the guests, they come. to see that baby Krishna Bhagwan. Amongst them was a wild ogress by the name of Putna. Putna was sent by Kamsa. O Putna, destroy all newborn babies. Putna transformed herself, looking as if she descended from Devangana, from the heavenly regions herself. But she came prepared. She took poison and she smeared it on her breast. And when she went inside, she took that Krishna Bhagwan and she started to breastfeed him. But my dear friends, that poison had absolutely no effect on Sri Krishna Bhagwan. Very beautiful episode. As a matter of fact, here I will take the liberty to go a little bit further. There, my dear friends, Sri Krishna Bhagwan, he started to smile. And Putna is looking at this baby smiling. His eyes are closed, but he is smiling. Why is he smiling? And he is drinking up this poison. What is going to happen with him? But at that moment, my dear friends, Lord Krishna, with that beautiful smile on his face, he is reflecting upon Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva, you know about drinking this poison thing. I don't know too much about drinking poison. I have come to eat and steal the makhan and the mystery and all of these. Look, I am given poison now to drink. Please save me. So, my dear friends, even Krishna Bhagwan, the divine Lord was offered poison, was made to drink poison. But how is going to affect him? And so, my dear friends, Garalu Sudha Ripu Karahi Mitai. We chant Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, 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 Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Garala Sudha Ripu Karai Mitai. Rip Garala Sudha. Just to explain this verse will take the entire katha. But I will not. I will just mention it very briefly. Garala Sudha, we just looked at that. Poison can be transformed into nectar. Ripu Karai Mitai. Even an enemy can very easily become a friend. And Hanumanji, my dear friends, just had such an encounter with whom? Lankini. And in that moment, my dear friends, from being an enemy of Hanuman, in that one moment of encounter, through the grace of Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji, Lankini became a friend of Hanuman and blessed him with success. Gopara Sindhu Anala Sitalai. We are told here again that even a cow hoof, the print of a cow hoof, it is filled with water. For Hanumanji, my dear friends, for those like Hanuman who possess such intense love, faith, totally devoted and dedicated to Hanumanji, whose every existence, whose every breath exhaled and inhaled the name of Ram, what happens? The entire ocean becomes likened onto the hoof print of a cow filled with water. See Hanumanji, my dear friends, he leapt across that ocean. Was there any difficulty for him? Just like ordinary folks like you and I, we can step across that footprint filled with water. Hanumanji, my dear friends, he was able to go across this ocean. Again, all through the grace of the Divine Lord. And finally, I will look at is Analasitalai. Even fire, my dear friends, will lose its burning power through the grace of the Divine Lord. What example do we have in Ramayana, my dear friends? Earlier on in Ramayana, we see such a beautiful example. And later on in Ramayana, we will see a similar example. Remember, in the forest region, when Sri Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devi, they were there, residing, Prabhu Sri Ramchandra spoke to Sita. O Sita, tum pavak mah karahu nivasa, jau lagi karav nisachara nasha. Sunahu priyavrata ruchira shishira, mai kachu karavi lalita naralila. As Sri Ram says, my beloved, my dear, the time has come when I have to perform beautiful Naralila. I have to act like an ordinary being descend upon earth. And so, Tuma Pavak Mahkarahu Nivasa, a fire was lit. Unknown to Brother Lakshman, who had gone to collect fruits and shoots and so forth for meals. Sita Devi, I want you to enter into that fire. And you remain there in that fire until I have completed my mission. And so, my dear friends, that chitta was made there. Sita Devi, enshrining the Lord in her heart, her Lord, her Master, her beloved consort, Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji, the embodiment of mercy, grace, the ocean of compassion, taking his name in her heart, Sita Devi, she stepped into that fire. Was Sita Devi burnt like an ordinary being, my dear friends? No. That fire became, lost its burning power. It became as cool as sandalwood. And Sita Devi, she then resided with Agni Devta, who came out, a shadow-like form of Sita Devi, the Maya Sita, the Vedvati Roop Sita, that Vedvati that had pronounced a shrap on Ravan earlier when Ravan decided to defile her. All of these are separate beautiful kathas, all intertwined in one, but we cannot go into too much detail. But the Sita that emerged was a Sita that pronounced a shrap on Ravan, Vedvati Rupa Sita. I will return to be the cause of your destruction and the destruction of your entire race. And just to point out to you, my dear friends, that the Sita that was abducted was not Janaki, the daughter of Raja Janak. It was this Maya Sita that was emerged. And eventually, Ravan will meet his destruction as a result of abducting her. And so, my dear friends, we see Gopada Sindhu Analasitalai, that a divine Lord, through whose grace even the blazing fire will become as cool as sandal place. We will not reach into the other episode, but let me point out to you, my dear friends, remember when Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji destroyed Ravan, the time came when Sita had to be reunited with Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji. In spite of all the wars and so forth, Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji was not happy that Sita Devi has been recovered. Why? He knew that this was not the real Sita. And so he instructed Lakshman to build that chitta. And this Vedvati Roop Sita now has to enter into that fire. And she prayed, my Lord, if I have been true to you in thought, word and deed, if not even a moment my mind has strayed away from you, then let that fire become as cool as sandalwood. And so, my dear friends, Sita Devi entered. But emerging from the fire was the real Sita that initially entered into the fire. Again we see fire becoming as cool as sandal paste. So, at this point, maybe you can ask Divya. I hope you have your bhajans at hand. Let us ask Divya to do one of these, one of her very beautiful bhajans for us.
सुन लो मेरी पुकार, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार। हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, दुखियों के तुम भाग्य विधाता, दुखियों के तुम भाग्य विधाता, श्री राम के काज सवारे, श्री राम के काज सवारे, मेरा कर उधार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार। हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, हे दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन, सुन लो मेरी पुकार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार। अपरंपार है शक्ति तुम्हारी, अपरंपार है शक्ति तुम्हारी, तुम पर रीजे अवध बिहारी, तुम पर रीजे अवध बिहारी, भक्ति भाव से त्याग दो है, भक्ति भाव से त्याग दो है, कर दो को से पार, पवन सुत विनती बारंबार,
ki jai. Very, very beautifully done indeed in glorification of Hanumanji. My dear devotees, at this time, Hanumanji, as he enters into Lanka, we hear how that search for Sita Devi, we hear how it begins and where it begins. Shri Rama Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Rama Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, Shri Rama Jai Rama,
जय जय रामा श्री राम जय रामा जय जय रामा
अति लघु रूप धरे हनुमाना, पैठान नगर सुमिरि भगवाना। श्री राम जय रामा, जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय
रामा जय जय रामा
मंदिर मंदिर प्रति करि शोधा, देखे जह तह अगणित योधा। हे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम, हे राम 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 गय दशानन मंदिर माई, अति विचित्र कही जात सुनाई। हे राम 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 सीता राम राम राम, हे राम 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 सीता राम राम, सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम, सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम, सीता राम सीता राम सीता राम, सीता राम। सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम, राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम, राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम, राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम, राजा राम राजा राम राजा राम। अति लघु रूप धरे हनुमाना. Hanumanji, he took a very tiny form, maybe like a mosquito or so. Paitha Nagara Sumiri Bhagavana. He enters into the city itself, reflecting upon the form of Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji. Here we are told, Mandira Mandira Patikara Shodha. Hanumanji, we are told here, he goes from mandir to mandir in search of Sita Devi. But were there any mandirs, as it were, in Lanka, my dear friends? We will hear there's one holy place in Lanka as at this time. In a moment we will hear that. But Hanumanji, he said, we are told he goes from mandir to mandir. There's a meaning for that. We will not go into that. Suffice it to say, we can construe that to be from mansion to mansion. Hanumanji goes. He's looking for Sita Devi. But he does not see Sita Devi anywhere. Sochai laga kaha bajau, kaha darasha Sita kar paau. And he's thinking now, well, he's very happy that Sita Devi is not in that mansion where he sees Ravan. Ravan is fast asleep. Sita Devi is nowhere to be found in that mansion. Hanumanji thinks to himself, oh, where can I search for Sita Devi? And so, my dear friends, as he is searching, what happens? Ramayuda Ankita Griha Shobhavarani na jai, Shobhavarani na jai. Nava tulsi ke brinda bahu, dekhi harsh kapirai, Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai sharanam. But as Hanumanji is looking around, my dear friends, a very beautiful sight meets his eye. Bhavana ekapuni dikha suhava, hari mandirataha bhinna banawa. As he looks around, my dear friends, he sees that which is, he describes it, Goswami Tulsidas describes this as a bhavan, a home as it were, a building. Hari mandirataha bhinna banawa. It is a mandir of the Divine Lord built separately. Hanumanji sees this, my dear friends. As he looks again, Hanumanji is ever so observant, notices every tiny detail, my dear friends. What does he see? Ramayuda Ankita Griha. There is the bow and arrow of Prabhu Shri Ramchandraji drawn on that building. Shobha Varani na jai. The beauty of that bow and arrow, and indeed of that building, was undescribable. Navatulsi ke brindavahu. And as Hanumanji looks around, he sees an entire garden of tulsi growing. Dekhi harasha kapirai. This sight, my dear friends, to Hanumanji, what is undoubtedly a mandir, and of course the beautiful garden of tulsi. Hari Mandir, Tulsi, Lakshmi Ma, the Divine Lord and his consort present here in these forms. Hanumanji, my dear friends, when he sees this, he becomes somewhat astonished. Why is he astonished? We hear as Hanumanji, as we hear in this beautiful chaupai. Lanka Nishichara Shri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama Sita Rama Bolo Sita Ram Raghupati Raghava Raja Lanka Nishichara Lanka Nishichara Nikara Nivasa Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram Yaha kaha sajjana Shri Rama Jai Rama Bolo Shri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama Sita Rama Bol Sita Ram Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Sita Rama Bol Sita Ram Mana Mahatara Kakarana Kapilage Sita Rama Bol Sita Ram ताहि समय विभीषण जागे सीता राम बोल सीता राम बोल सीता He begins to think, Lanka Nisishara Nikara Nivasa, Yaha Kahasa Janakara Vasa. Lanka is the abode, as it were, of all the wise, evil, wicked ones. But here is a mandir. How is it possible for some devotee to reside here? Manamahu karam taraka karana kapilaga. And as he is thinking like this, my dear friends, what happens? He who resides in that mandir, tai samay vibhishana jagi. That moment, my dear friends, Vibhishan, the brother of Ravan, this brother who was totally and absolutely dedicated and devoted to Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji, he awakened. And as he awakened, Ramanam te sumirana kinha, hridaya harsha kapi sajjana chinha. And as he awakened, my dear friends, Ram, 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 Ram. I'm sure all of you are familiar. Our parents will continuously chant Ram, 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 Ram. And so when Hanumanji hears this, my dear friends, a great joy develops in his heart. He meets with Vibhishan. There's a very beautiful dialogue taking place there, my dear friends. And then after that, Hanumanji explains to Vibhishan, I am here to search for Sita Devi. Please tell me, where can I find Sita Devi? And so, my dear friends, Vibhishan, he explains to Hanumanji, there is the Ashok Vatika. Under that Ashok tree, there is Sita Devi. She is there, pining away as a result of separation from Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji. There she is in constant grief, reflecting upon none other than Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji. If you are to go there, you will see her in that Ashok Vatika, seated under that Ashok tree. Let me point out to you, my dear friends, we see the 10 tall trees growing, and we say that is the Ashoka tree. Maybe it is a variety of the Ashoka tree, but the real Ashoka tree, my dear friends, spreads out, in the branches extend out, and it offers a lot of shade under. There is where Sita Devi was seated there. Hanumanji, he is on that, on the branches of that tree, and there he is seeing Sita Devi. Sita Devi, she is grieving. And there, my dear friends, Hanumanji, as he sees this, of course, what is going to happen? He is there, my dear friends. Ravan comes with an entire entourage, including Mandodari and all the queens. There, my dear friends, he pleads with Sita Devi, utilizing Sam, Dam, Dandan, Bhed. 4 methods of persuasion. No time to explain that, but suffice it to say, O Sita Devi, if you will turn your gaze towards me, but only once, Mandodari and all of these queens will become your servants. Turn his gaze towards Ravan. Yes, he probably wants Sita Devi to look at him. But more importantly, my dear friends, he already knew that Sita Devi was the goddess of the universe. Earlier in Katha, Ravan bowed to her feet when he went to abduct her, knowing that she was the Mother Divine. He wants her to turn towards her, symbolizing, if only he could get the grace of the cosmic mother, Sita Devi, my dear friends. She takes a blade of grass, she holds it in front of her, and she speaks words that are very harsh to Ravan. Ravan becomes very angry. He threatens to kill Sita Devi, but Sita Devi stood her ground. You cannot, you ask me to turn my gaze towards you. I say unto you, Ravan, that the lotus bud can only blossom in the light of the sun. A lotus bud can never blossom in the light of a candlefly. What is she saying, my dear friends? Her eyes are likened onto that lotus bud. You want these eyes to open, then you must possess the brilliance of that sun. But Ravan, your brilliance is only likened onto a candlefly. Apahusani khadyota samaram mahi mahanu saman. Hearing that Ravan is compared to a bhajugni, as we say, the candlefly, Shri Ram is compared to the sun. Ravan becomes very angry, and of course he wants to kill Sita. But what happens from here, my dear devotees, Hanumanji, he is there. Ravan leaves, he instructs the evil ones to bring pain and suffering to her. But eventually, Hanumanji, seated on top of that tree, then what happens? Hanumanji, my dear friends, then Kapi kari hridaya vichar Dinha mudrika daritava Janu ashoka angar Dinha harashi uthi karagayu Sya Pati Ramachandra ki jai sharanam. So we have skipped a lot of the activities where Sita Devi, she's grieving, she's crying, oh moon, you possess fire, why don't you release some? Oh stars, you possess fire, please give me some that I can destroy it, I can burn myself in fire. Oh new leaves, you look like blades of flames, please come, allow me to consume myself in the fire. Why does she say, she even tells Trijata, build a fire, I want to go into it. Why is she asking that? When we have maybe Saturday satsang, we will look at that a little more detail. But at this time, Hanumanji, he drops that ring. Sita Devi seeing it, she rushes, she takes it up. In the glitter of the moonlight, she thinks it is fire that is coming, but it is a ring. What ring? A ring that Prabhu Sri Ramchandraji had given to Hanuman. Oh Hanuman, you will be the one to locate Sita Devi, and when you locate her, give this ring onto her. And so, my dear friends, there, Hanumanji, he is still in that tree. What is going to happen? Eventually, he will descend to meet Sita Devi, and that dialogue we will look at some other time. Prem se bolo Syavar Ramachandra ki, Pavana Putra Hanuman ki. So, my dear friends, it's almost quarter past, and we know we have other activities to take place. So, at this time, we will come to an end of our reading at this time. I know before we go into conclusion, maybe closing remarks by some member of the mandir, and then we will go into conclusion. No, go ahead. No, we're good. Yeah.
Jai Guru Datta, Jai Sri Ram,
Jai.
Jai Hanuman. We have come to the end of 3 nights of wonderful satsang by Pandit Khemraj Vyas ji. Pandit Khemraj Vyas is one of the rare Pandits in this country whom we should adore and wish good health and long life, so that the mission, his mission, and the mission of Sanatan Dharma will continue to flourish in a very orthodox style. It has been a great pleasure listening to Pandit Khemraj these 3 nights. And I'm so happy that we have been able to put it on live stream, media, and also on IETV. We thank IETV for their cooperation in promoting this yajna. We wish Panditji, we wish you a good health, long life, happiness with your Dharam Patni and family, so that our tradition will continue in a very beautiful style you have been practicing for so many years, you and your brothers. I remember Panditji's elder brother. When I had a yug at my home, I invited him. And I have always cherished his voice and his singing. You, Pandit Ramdat, Yeah, Pandit Ranbat Vyasji. And Panditji, you are no different. Your voice is beautiful and your rendition, and we can see you have spent a lot of time in doing research, and I like how you give the story of Mirabai. So one day, we'll have a Yag Bhagavad Yag, where we'll continue the tradition of Bhagavad Puran. So let me thank all of you for coming these nights. We thank all the viewers. And we pray that messages given by Panditji will benefit everybody, and you will have something to live on and to better your lives. As all of us, the time will come one day when all of us will have to leave this world. And it is how we live, how we think, and what we do will help us. So we are happy at the Dattatreya Yoga Center. And we thank all of you for cooperating and making this a success. I would like particularly to thank Dev Gokul and his daughter Divya and his other children and the members of the group for their devotion to this ashram. They are the DYC Bhajan group. I would also like to thank our photographer and IT personnel, Mr. Ravi Maharaj, and also the one who spearheaded this program, our Vice President, Mr. Ramesh Prag. Thank you for coming. Meals are provided for all. And Jai Guru Datta, Jai Hanuman. And until we meet again for the next year, may we wish everybody, including the leaders of our country, so that we can have peace, prosperity, and happiness from now on. Jai Guru Datta, Jai Hanuman.
Principal Shri Pawan Putra Hanuman Ki Jai. So my dear devotees, concluding remarks, beautifully done. Let me also take this opportunity to express my sincerest thanks and gratitude to members of this organization for once again reposing their faith, trust, confidence in me, in my ability or lack of to deliver Hanuman Katha. Through the grace of beloved Swamiji, I've had my own very special experience with him, very, very unique, and I think it is only through his blessings that I am here to deliver this Katha onto you. To all of you who have come night after night on my own behalf, thank you so very much. Last night we had Pandit, my elder brother Pandit Durnath, and of course his son Anil and the daughter-in-law children. They sang so very beautifully for us. Tonight we have another son, Pandit Shivanan, his Dulahin, and Sweeta, who also sang for us. Thank you so very much. The group on stage, my sincerest thanks and gratitude to all of you. I was so fortunate that I just had to come swinging my hand with my one very near and dear soldier, Sylvan. He is always with me. The entire group is here. You did tremendously well in accompanying me. And of course, to all those who sang so very, very beautifully, let us give them a beautiful round of applause. But you know, they sang beautifully only because of one person. And without him, they could not have sounded as beautiful. And that is the drummer. Let us give him a very special round of applause. Thank you so very much. And of course, to the technical team, sound, camera, and so forth, thanks to all of you. It has been a great pleasure for me to be here with you once again. So what happens now? We go into Aarti? Yeah. Aarti now? Should I close it, open with closing prayer? Just close. Okay. So at this time, my dear friends, we come to the conclusion of our yajna. Let me invite all of you to stand as we come to conclusion. यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् पूर्णं भवतु तत्सर्वं प्रसीद परमेश्वरम् अज्ञानाद् विस्मृतिर्भ्रान्त्या यन्यूनम् अधिकं कृतं तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव प्रसीद परमेश्वरम् अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ति हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिदं मत्वा क्षमस्व परमेश्वरम् प्रमादात् कुर्वतां कर्म प्रत्यवेतो धरेशयत् स्मरणादेव तद्विष्णु सम्पूर्णं स्यादिति श्रुतिः यस्य स्मृत्य च नामोक्त्य तपोयज्ञक्रियादिषु न्यूनं सम्पूर्णतां यातु सद्यो वन्दे तमच्युतम् बेनेडिक्शन धर्माधर्मं विचक्षणः सुरतरुर्भक्तेश सन्दोहने दुष्टारातिकरेन्द्रकुम्भदलने पञ्चानन पाण्डुजम् द्रौपद्यै प्रददौ कुबेरवनने सौगन्धी पुष्पं मुदां यन्त्रोद्धारकनाम मारुतिरयं कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम् कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलम् ॐ मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मंगलायों तनो हरि together we chant त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव ॐ शान्ति 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 हरि ॐ तत्सत् ब्रह्मार्पणमस्तु श्री विष्णवे नमः श्री विष्णवे नमः श्री विष्णवे नमः प्रेम से बोलो श्री पवन पुत्र हनुमान की श्यावर रामचंद्र की उमापति महादेव की पवन पुत्र हनुमान की आदि शक्ति देवी की वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की गणपति गणेश भगवान की सच्चिदानंद गुरु स्वामी जी महाराज की सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय सकल पंच की जय जय सीताराम. Do take your seats, my dear devotees.
चरणा सरोज रजा निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी वरनो रघुवर विमल यशा जोदायक पलचारी बुद्धिहीन तैनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार भल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार राम 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 जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश श्री